See ya, buddy. He was right on that current seam. These gloves are wet and icy, and they're cheap. They're like $6 fleece gloves, so these are dry. That's why I got multiple pair. I always bring a couple different sets so I can swap them out. That feels a lot better, just to get them dry. Fleece does a good job even when it's wet. It's like wool and fleece do a good job, but everything works better keeping your hands warm when it's dry. So I'll throw those on the dashboard of the truck on the way home. They'll be good for the next trip, but for now they're done.
We're fishing a bridge piling here, and there's a lot of circular current, and it's really pushing us up, so we might crash the pool, and we don't want to spook the fish. So we're doing a lot of backpedaling to keep our position in all this current.
Got a carp. Big old carp like little tube. I kind of don't want him in the boat. I kind of don't want to smell carp on that whole ride home is what's going on. There.
He's bulldogging you.
There's still a lot of fun.
Good size one.
He's decent. He's thick. Let's see if I can get pliers. Come here, Carpy. Get that off of you. Ready? Sit. Ah. I'm just ripping tentacles off at this point. There he goes. They love the smelly jelly. Any stink you put on a bait just draws in those carp. My little tube is mutilated though. Just not getting the casting distance I like with the all that ice in there. Nuts. Even in these recoil guides. I usually like some part of the day the ice to not be in my guides, but I don't think we're going to have it today.
You can even show the footage from the, I'm recording now, but you can show the footage from the carp when I'm shaking. I can't take the video.
I saw you shaking.
It was like it was like this, yeah.
We got some cold turbulence. I think I'm done donating jigs and tubes to the river for the day. I know it's only 12, or not 12, it's only 2 o'clock. I usually like to make the most of the day, but it's really, really cold. Man, you think the snow would help you slide it up. All right, good day, short day. It's 2:30, we're heading out of here. Low 30s water temperature. I think Juan said we started at 18, and I don't think it's much more than mid-20s. I got 2 bites, 21-inch smallmouth and a big carp, both on the little tube. That's a good day. I'm happy. I think one of the keys, one of the main things that led to the success was getting on the bank. You know, getting the kayak locked on shore, doing away with the one-hand paddling, and just putting a little tube out there and letting it do its magic.